Former President Donald Trump back in New York City. It's his first time back since his historic arrest and arraignment last week. Trump is giving a deposition in a separate case. This is a $250 million civil suit filed by the New York State Attorney General against Trump, 3 of his children, and the Trump Organization. It accuses them of inflating the value of their properties to obtain loans and tax benefits. They are denying any wrongdoing. Chief Washington correspondent Major Garrett joins us now with more on the former president's legal challenges, which there are many. Major, thanks for joining us. What sort of resolution is the New York Attorney General looking for here, and what could the outcome be if Trump is found guilty?
So the outcome could be as follows. The Attorney General for New York has sought $250 million in fines and a 5-year prohibition on the Trump Organization operating in New York. That's really what's at stake here. And this is a civil lawsuit completely separate from the criminal prosecution that began last week with all the history around it. It is not historic for Donald Trump to have to give a deposition in a civil case. He's done that many, many times. It is slightly unusual that he's doing that in the capacity as a former vice president, but he gave a deposition in this case in August of last year, asserted his Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination, which is his constitutional prerogative, did that about 400 times. He's switched his legal advisor since then. He may be more forthcoming in today's deposition. On social media, arriving here in New York last night, the former president said this case will give him an opportunity to show what a great company he built, how he didn't violate the law, and how, quote unquote, ridiculous this lawsuit filed by the New York Attorney General actually is.
You mentioned he pleaded the Fifth roughly 400 times. Is there any indication that he may do that again in this civil case?
Well, he certainly might, but here's one of the reasons why he might not. First of all, the Trump legal team, which again is different than the one that advised him to assert his Fifth Amendment protections in August, now knows what this case is about. They've got a lot more documents, a lot more information from the Attorney General, and they also know what the case filed by the Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg is. One of the reasons Trump was hesitant to answer questions back in August is he didn't know if any of his answers might be passed along by the Attorney General to the Manhattan DA for a case that he didn't know whether that was going to come to fruition or not. Now he knows what that case is. He's been criminally indicted on 34 counts, misdemeanors and felonies. Now he knows what that case is. He knows better what this civil case is, so he may be more forthcoming. We'll have to see in today's deposition. But again, the Trump legal perspective on this case is they have solid ground. They didn't defraud either bankers or the tax collectors in New York. The Attorney General asserts that for 10 years or longer, the Trump Organization did precisely that, and that's what's going to be litigated.
We know the wheels of justice do not move fast, but when do you think that this case could go to trial?
Scheduled for trial in October.
Now, October, but do you see that happening, or you think there may be delays?
Well, one thing I've learned, and I'm not a lawyer, I don't play one on television, but I've had to learn a lot about the law and its relationship to candidate Trump, President Trump, and now former President Trump. And one thing I've learned is that a persistent, tactical approach for Donald Trump as a candidate, as a president, and as a former president is to delay, delay, delay. So if there are means by which this process can be delayed, you can be certain the Trump legal team will assert them. But if those delays are not granted, and courts have to do that, this is scheduled to go to trial in October.
Worth your weight in gold with the perspective. Major Garrett, thank you very much.
Thanks.